Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Prashant Shatra. Once again I'm coming back to you mainly for the ICC students. And again I am doing one more class on overloading. So please follow my class properly. So before going to start my class, this is my request. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. And if you are liking my class, please give a feedback. So let us start our again that function overloading problem. I have given a simple problem. You see that function overloading. In this problem, I'll give you the question in the computer. I will show it over there, the question. But verbally I'm telling you that we will take three numbers, integer numbers. Two numbers we will pass into the first function, and three numbers we will pass into second functions. First function will return the greater value. Second function will return also the largest value. So both the functions will return the highest value. But you see that I have given the function name find max. You see that find max. So find max and find max, both the functions are return type. Both the functions are return type. Argument 2 integer, 3 integer. See that 2 integer, 3 integer. So what is this called? I am telling every day, that is, this is what these are called actual parameter or actual argument, and this is formal arguments or formal parameters. Formal parameters. Now this word, you see that I have done the object. After doing the object, you see that name of the object obj, name of the class overload, name of the class overload. We are doing this one in main. We can use the scanner class. I am telling you repeated number of times. You do practice with the scanner class, then it will be very much user friendly. If you use the argument method, what will happen? We can't give the user friendly message for the user. That is the reason we apply the scanner class. If you apply the scanner class, what will happen? What you need exactly, you can throw that message to the user. So you see that I am taking three numbers here. Suppose 5, 2, 9. So this two values I will send it here. 5, 2. This 5 will be copied here. This 2 will be copied here. So I am using here the ternary operator. I am using here ternary operator. Okay, so you can use this one using the if else, you can do it. And this question I have done in such a way that only whenever the values are not same, only that situation this program will work. Don't think that you will give two numbers equal or three numbers equal. This program will not do the work. So whenever you are taking three uneven values like this 5, 2, 9, three uneven values means three values are different. So that time this program will work properly. If the values sometime you may get equal, so that situation we have to change the program. So now let me finish this. Let me explain this, then you can understand, then you can do it yourself only. So let's see. So this one, this A and B is here. So the value is coming 5 and 2. So computer check. This is ternary operator. Ternary operator, question mark and colon will be there. So 5 greater than 2. This condition is true or false? If this condition is true, if this condition is true, then this is the true value. If this condition is false, then this is the false value. This is true value, and this is false value. So now this condition is true. So the value of x is how much? X is 5. That 5 is coming into this. That means what you are getting? It is 5. So max returning 5. So this value computer will bring it here. this value computer will bring it here. So we will get what value? 5, and it will be printed here 5. What is this question? 1. This is 1. That will be 5. So you can understand. Still one function is left. You see that it is a return type function. It is a return type function. Find max from two values. Using ternary operator we are doing this. So after returning this 5, we are coming down for the next line. And next line obj.find max a, b, c. This time we are taking the 3 variables. We are taking 3 variables. 3 variables, that is how much? This is 5, 2, 9. This is 5, 2 and 9. So whenever you are coming here, you are coming now this time 5, 2, 9. So 5, 2. Computer, please check. Using the ternary operator we are checking. With, so this is 5, this is 2. What answer you will get? You will get here 5. Now once again we are checking another ternary operator. We can make it nested here, but I don't want to make complex for you all. I am showing you in simple method. So we can make another ternary operator here. I am not using that one. Using if else if you can solve this problem. But you see that I am showing you in 2 lines using the ternary operator. So this max value equal to how much? It is 5 this time. 5 and z equal to how much? It is 9. So this time you check. This one is false. This one is false. Condition is false. False means this is the false answer. False answer. So false value is how much? This z value equal to 9. So that 9 will come here. And computer, you return 9. It will be returned here. So this value will come back to here 9. And that 9 will be printed here. So I think you can understand it very clearly. So this is what function overloading problem. That what is my problem here? I will show you that question there. But verbally I have told everything. So you just check how function overloading is working. If all three these variables are integer type, you see that number of parameters, then only computer will do the solution. You see that first one 2 integer, second one is 3 integer. So there is no confusion. Computer will check the parameters. If data type is same, it will check number of data types, means number of variables. Okay, so let us see in computer. So now check all of you. You see that the question is given. How the question is given here? Specifying the name of the class is finder. But I have taken overload 2. I have not taken finder. So you can use the finder. So no problem. You can if the question is given finder, you should take finder. But I have taken overload 2 because I am doing today the class of overload 1, overload 2, something like this. So I have given the class name overload 2. So overload 2 following overloaded function, you see that the first function is given like this, and it is told that to decide and return greater value from both the numbers, from 2 numbers. And the second function also it is return type. Find max name 3 parameters, and you see that we are getting the value. Now what is this? Main function, you create the main function. After creating the main function to accept 3 numbers x, y, z, you can use the scanner class. I told you, just I am not wasting the time. That's why I have taken in this way. So invoking the function print and highest value from both the functions. So let us see, this is the question for you. So this is overloading question number 2. Now closing this, now save it. We are going for this question solution. You see this is our solution. I already have done it. Check it. So overload 2, I have given the function, the class name overload 2. And you see that public static void main 3 variables I have taken here. You can use the scanner class after this line, before this line, you can take 3 values, these 3 values using the scanner class. I think you should know that scanner class. So using the scanner class 3 values you take. After you do the object, then you call one by one, invoke the function like this. Okay, so you call one by one the functions. Object find max by 2 variables, object find max by 3 variables, and it is return type value. Answer will come here, that answer you will print it here. So in this way, both the functions, you check how I have written on the board, exactly I have written the same. So let us compile this, compile the program. So close this. Now right click and main, check, I will write the value. So whatever I have written, that is 5 to 9, you will see that 5 tab 2 tab then 9. So you can see these 3 values, press enter key, check this value. So this is the values, greater value 5 and greatest value 9. So you can understand how I have explained exactly in the similar manner it is working. So I think the overloading is very much clear to you. So you must do practice. If you get some other problems, you must do practice like this, you will understand. So only follow the sequence. So if the parameter, if you change that, you have to be very much cautious, and the function is return type or not, that we will see. Okay, up to this much is today. So if you are liking my class, please at least give the feedback and press the like. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye all of you.